After an opening day of jury selection at his DC federal court trial, Steve Bannon was in defiant mood.
Look, it was a very good first day. It was a long day for jury selection. I really want to thank all the jurors for being truthful and blunt. I thought that was great. And we look forward tomorrow. We're coming back and we get into it tomorrow. So we're looking forward.
Bannon, a one-time advisor to former President Donald Trump, faces 2 counts of contempt of Congress, for which he was indicted in November. The 68-year-old had refused to sit for deposition and provide crucial documents to the House committee on the events of January 6, 2021. He could now spend a year in prison on each count. Evidence was presented last week that Bannon spoke to Trump at least twice on the day before the former president's supporters stormed the Capitol. For months, Bannon had argued his testimony of the events was protected by Donald Trump's claims of executive privilege, preventing confidential information and witness testimony from reaching the courts. But the Supreme Court ruled against the claims in January, while Trump waived his alleged privilege earlier this month. Bannon's lawyers then tried again unsuccessfully to persuade U.S. District Judge Carl Nichols to delay the trial, arguing that the high-profile nature of the committee's public hearings would make it difficult to assemble impartial jurors.
I think we'd have been more productive if we'd been on Capitol Hill in front of open mics addressing the nation with exactly all this nonsense, this show trial they've been putting up on Capitol Hill.
A handful of potential jurors who already expressed negative sentiments about Bannon were excluded from the panel, with an original group of 60 whittled down to 22 ahead of Tuesday. They're now set to be narrowed down further to 12, plus 2 alternative jurors, with the opening arguments of the hearing then set to follow.